Guys, welcome to another episode of Scratch That. And on this week, we are making chicken quesadillas. Let's go. Hey guys, so I put in 1 tablespoon of olive oil into my skillet over medium-high heat, and now I'm pouring in 1 package of the fajita chicken. And if you know me, you know I gotta have the spice. So this is a half a teaspoon of Louisiana Classic all-purpose seasoning, and then I add in 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and I stir it up. You want to let this cook for about 5 minutes, just until it's nice and brown. So I added in some sliced green and red bell peppers and sliced onion, and I'm just going to pour this in my skillet back over medium-high heat. Add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper, and just stir that around. And guys, you just want to let it cook just until it gets nice and translucent. Alright, now it's time to make some quesadillas. I have my olive oil spray, and I'm using my panini maker, so I'm going to spray it down with olive oil on the top and the bottom. And I use taco salad shells for my quesadillas, guys. It is so good. It's so crispy. So I grabbed one of those shells and I put it on my panini maker. And I have a cup of quesadilla cheese. You can use any cheese that you want. So I put down about 1/2 cup. And then I'm going to add the chicken. Now I'm making one without peppers because my husband does not like the pepper, the trinity, if you will, but I do. So this is his quesadilla. And then I just come back on top of it with the other half of that cheese. Just fold it over until it's nice and closed. And pull down that panini maker. I have it on medium-high heat, and it's going to cook for about 3 minutes. Okay, this quesadilla is ready. Look at that cheese. Oh yeah. So I'm going to pull this one off and just put it aside on a plate. Man, that looks good. And now I'm ready for the next quesadilla. So I did the same thing. I sprayed the panini maker with olive oil, added my taco salad shell, and now I'm adding half of that quesadilla cheese. And now it is time for the trinity. My bell peppers and my onions, I'm going to put those down. Oh, yes. Yummy. And now I'm just going to finish it off with some more chicken. And be careful, because you see your girl is making a mess. Alright, and just add the rest of that shredded quesadilla cheese to the top. Now I'm going to fold it over. Make sure everything's nice and secure on the inside. I'm going to close my panini maker and let that cook for about 3 minutes. And my quesadilla is ready. Look at that. Wow, that looks delicious. So I'm going to pull that off onto this plate. And I'm going to grab my pizza cutter. So guys, I'm trying to be fancy with how I cut it, because usually I just cut it like down the middle and then across, but you know, trying to do a little extra, add a little razzle dazzle for you guys. So I'm just going to cut it and let that pull apart. Man, y'all got to see that in slow motion. Alright, now it's time to taste. Gotta get a little bit of this sour cream. gosh. You guys, it is so delicious. It's so easy and it's so quick. I definitely recommend that you try this recipe. Make sure you check out all my other videos on Scratch That, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.